I was just checking if it was recording. So anyways, welcome back to my channel, guys, and I'm recording this video for like the fourth time. The first two times it didn't record, the third time I forgot to plug in my mic, and here's the fourth time. So anyways, let's just quickly get to it. In this video we are going to learn about preprocessors. You already know about the hash-defined preprocessor. It is used to define constants. And whatever it defines, over here it's defining C, is called macro. So if and def is a preprocessor which checks if a macro is defined or not. So I have not defined pi over here, so it's going to run everything inside this. So it's going to define C over here, and then it's going to this over here means that I'm going to end my if now. Okay, and hash include is a preprocessor to include files. So these is hash if, hash elif, hash else, hash and if. These are now preprocessors which are equivalent to else if statements, if else statements, but you cannot use them for a variable. You can only use them for constants, or you can say only for macros. So what's going to happen is it's going to check if pi is defined or not. Pi is not defined, so this will run. It will define C6. It will print me the value of C, and then it will check if C equal to 4. It's not equal to 4, so it's not going to print me this. It's going to check if C is equal to 5, then it's not, so it's not gonna execute this. So it's gonna execute the hash else, so it's gonna print me idiot. I'm gonna just print a new line over here. And I'm gonna quickly compile this and run this. And as you can see, it printed me the value of C and idiot. So if I change this to 5, it's gonna print me the value of C and print is 5. So it's 5 over here because else if now ran. And now if I do 4, the first if is going to run, and it's 4. So now if I want to define some C if pi was defined, I'll first let me define my pi 7. So now I want to define C if my pi was defined. For that we have if def, which is basically if macro was defined, run this. So it's gonna check if pi was defined. Yes, pi was defined, so it's gonna define my C. So I'll quickly show this. And it's defined C. If I don't define pi over here, it's gonna run into error that C is undeclared. So C is undeclared. So this is how your preprocessors work. There are, I think, some more preprocessors, but this is all is what required for you to learn the basics. In fact, you're not even gonna use hash if a lot. You're just gonna use hash define for sometimes, and maybe hash if like very rarely, but still, just to tell you that they exist, I did this tutorial. So anyways, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below. And also one more quickie thingy. There are some predefined macros in C, like __ time is 1, and find all those predefined macros, and then you'll know everything about macros. So thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.